Hello and welcome back to another Tasty Tuesday video. I'm Brianna, one of the dietitians here at Watch on Pediatrics, and today we'll be making some egg bites. So for today's recipe, we have some red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and onions. But feel free to add any kind of vegetables you have laying around the house. And for our base, we have some whole eggs, but feel free to also use some egg whites for some added protein. And there you have it, the perfect egg bite. So you can enjoy these for a quick breakfast. You can even meal prep them or as a snack in between meals. They are perfectly well balanced. You can also add some avocado or some cheese. Today we used feta cheese, but feel free to customize it the way you like it. Enjoy!